Decide for yourself. The benefits of modeling the universe as objects. What if the easiest way to make sense of the universe was to think of it as a collection of things? Objects. Autonomous, distinct, and constantly bumping into each other. Because here's the thing. No one has ever fully grasped reality. And maybe we never will. So we build models, ways of seeing, that make the world at least partially understandable. And among these models, one of the most enduring and practical is this. The universe as a cluster of things in motion. Why? Because it works. It's useful. It lets us speak, think, learn, and teach with some degree of clarity. Imagine trying to describe the world as pure flow. No objects, no boundaries, just energy forever folding into itself. Beautiful? Maybe. Communicable? Not really. It's far easier to say, "Bring me that book," than to say, "The congealed mass of pulp fibers, pigments, and bound pages currently resting on the table." When we agree on the notion of a book, communication becomes effortless. And that agreement, this shared model of the universe as objects, is what makes learning, teaching, and cooperation even possible. Seeing the world as composed of objects gives us a framework for understanding. It's how Aristotle built his categories, how Newton described motion, how modern science isolates systems for study. Each object, whether an atom, a tree, or a thought, can be named, measured, and understood through its interactions with others. It's a model that helps create order out of chaos. And while it may not capture ultimate reality, it captures enough to build bridges, design cities, and share meaning across generations. The benefits are immense. Objects make explanation possible. They make prediction possible. They make teaching possible. Because the moment we can point to something and say, "This," we can begin to ask how and why. In that sense, the object-oriented worldview is not a truth claim. It's a cognitive tool. A way to carve the infinite into intelligible pieces. But you must be aware that the model of the universe as a collection of objects is just one lens among many. You use it when it is useful, and set it aside when it is not. As the Zen saying goes, mountains are again mountains, real enough to see, yet not ultimate in themselves. So decide for yourself. We may never hold reality in its totality, but we can still model it beautifully. And seeing the world as the interaction between autonomous objects, books, rivers, people, minds and stars, remains one of the most practical and elegant ways to do just that. It lets us speak. It lets us learn. It lets us build a shared world of meaning, even as we understand that ultimate reality may forever lie just beyond our grasp.